Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. And in this video, we want to go over a really unique portable mobility scooter in the industry. It's called the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 4-wheel mobility scooter. Now, this is a scooter that Pride Mobility came out with that not only is it portable in that it breaks down into 5 easy to manage pieces, it also has Pride Mobility's patented iTurn technology, which is the ability of a 4-wheel mobility scooter to turn with a 3-wheel mobility scooter's turning radius. So it's really unique to the industry. There is a few other Pride Mobility products as far as mobility scooters that have this iTurn technology. The main difference is that this one is a lot cheaper, and it's a really great scooter. Especially for someone who likes to travel and needs to get around in tight spaces. Now, before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of content coming out, showcasing different products, and we also have a catalog. If you would like to request a catalog to be sent to your home of our top selling products, you can request it online at the top of our website. You can also call us and we will send one to you. It takes about 10 days once you request it. So let's get into it, and we'll show you how cool this scooter is. So it does support 300 pounds of weight. I'll say that off the bat. It has a top speed of a little over 4 miles per hour. Battery range is almost 14 miles on a charge, and a 300-pound weight capacity. It breaks down like many of the other GoGo products that they have, so really simple to do. And then we'll show you the iTurn technology, which is really what sets the scooter apart. So when you disassemble, the first step is really to take the key out. It's a pretty important step. This lever right here will allow you to swivel the seat to get in and out, but this, you pull this up and this is how you pop the seat off. So that's your first step. Second step, you might want to take the basket off. You just hit it from the bottom and it pops right off like that. The next step is the battery pack. You would pull this off. It just pulls right off. And you can even charge the battery pack. There's a charging port directly on the battery pack. So you can bring this battery pack inside your home to charge it if you wanted to do that. Or you can just bring the whole scooter in if you wanted to. And there's a charging port right here on the tiller. So you have 2 options on how to charge it. Next step is you use this adjustable tiller knob, fold this down where it's close to being level to the floorboard. And the last step is pull up this lever and the front half portion of the scooter will detach from the rear wheel assembly. And this is how you would detach or disassemble the scooter. So really easy, simple to do. It's easy to put in the back of your car. And reassembling is really simple too. I think the price point on the scooter is really affordable. Comparatively, there's a lot of mobility scooters on the market that break down really similar to this. But the fact that this one has the 3-wheel turning capability is what really sets it apart. I could put the battery pack on last, but it's easier to put it on before the seat. So what I'll do is just really to show you how to turn on a dime on this thing. So if you look at the wheels, I mean, they turn pretty far, and I can just turn in a complete circle. So for example, if you're in a really narrow hallway and you get to the end, you need to turn around. Traditionally, you'd probably have to back up. But with this scooter, most hallways, you can probably just turn right around like that and go right out and exit. So that's what's really unique and really sets this scooter apart. Tiller is pretty basic. It's a Delta tiller. Has ambidextrous throttle, so you can accelerate forward or backwards with either hand on the throttle. There's a speed control dial, your battery gauge, and a set of keys. There's also a horn. There's a basket on the front, and there's a little storage space right at your feet. Seat swivels, like I mentioned before, and the armrest also flip up to get in and out of the seat. This is not a super sexy scooter, but it's very practical and serves a purpose that a lot of people are looking for, which is why Pride has made the scooter. Pride Mobility is one of the best brands in the industry. They have tons of products. They do extensive quality control testing on their products. So you're not going to get a product that has not been tested well. This one has been. If you have any questions about this particular scooter or any of Pride's products, definitely call us. We have agents standing by. We're open every day. All of our agents are very knowledgeable about our products that we carry. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us on our website at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.